Right now I'm at Community Cuisine. You can't really see it, but it's like a kitchen share. It's off Washington and 23rd Street. As you can see, there's other cars here to pick up their food. It's Labor Day today. I'm getting pre-packed, like it's like a meal prep, pre-packaged food that this woman cooks. It's called Community Cuisine, and I wanted to tell you guys this. If you ever live in Arizona or come visit Arizona for like a long time, not like 1 week. It's not something you want to do for 1 week, but it's all plant-based food and it is so delicious. I bought stuff from them in the past while I was in school during my fall semester when I was so busy that I didn't even have like a moment to even make myself food. And this was so healthy. It kept me so healthy and it gave me a lot of energy and I felt great doing it. So I'm gonna go in now to go pick my food up, and then I'll show you guys what I got in this order. Every week is a different menu. There's two people getting, they just got their food. But anyway, I'm super excited. I love when I get food from here. It is 30 minutes away from my house, but it's worth it. And I'm getting it this week as well because tomorrow and Wednesday the movers are coming, so I'm really not going to have any cooking ware. That is the reason why I'm getting it this week. And I might be getting it throughout the month just because I really won't have anything to cook on that much. I'll have a couple of pans, but it's just going to be a little tight. But I'm going to show you what's in the bag. Everything comes in a cooler bag, and you make a deposit the first time around. You do a $20 deposit, and whenever, like if you never wanna order again, you could just bring back your bag with the jars and they will give you your $20 deposit back, which I'll be doing since I'm moving to Japan. So I think it's really cool, and I love that it's really not too much plastic. Sometimes they use saran wrap to just cover the top of the jars, but it's really eco-friendly other than that. So this is the cooler bag. It's just a regular thin bag, and these are all the mason jars that are in there. And I also have one of these because I got scalloped potatoes the last time and they were so good, so I get my $5 back for that. But these are all the jars that are in here from my last order, and then I'll go in there, I'll give them this bag, and then they will give me my bag. They had it all ready for me. This is a red bag and it's so heavy. I got a lot of food for this week just because it had so many good things on the menu that I like. They do like a variety, but a lot of their items will be like spicy or like Indian or Mediterranean, and I don't really like those foods. But it just depends on the week. I will show you guys the menu on the computer, like an example of what the menu will be for this week. I'll show you guys that. You guys can see what the menu will look like and like the prices and just an example of what it looks like. And they give you all the ingredients as well that's in the recipe, which is awesome. So you'll know exactly if it's gluten-free, vegan, or vegetarian. It's so poofy, crazy today. I've been running around, I've been outside and just doing different things for the move, so don't mind this mane of hair. But now I'm on my way home and I got a lot of things to do before the people come to ship all my stuff tomorrow and Wednesday. Don't mind me, I'm literally a hot mess. But I'm gonna show you what we got in this big bad boy here. Okay, and they always leave like a little list of what you got with the price, with a paper clip. I usually leave the paper clip on there to recycle. Oh my Lord, guys. Look at this. I gotta show you. We're gonna lift it. Look at that. Look at all the goodies. I think this is the most I've ever gotten. Okay, we'll start off with dessert. I got 3 date nut walnut bread. This is vegan, by far the best. I'm so in love with this. It just smells so good. I'm gonna have one right after I film this video. Then I got Moroccan sweet potato burger, and it comes with a sauce. I forget what the sauce is, but it's on the menu. And those are the 2 burgers, and these are like the only plastic waste ones that they have. This is the no tuna salad, and it is so good. I have rolls in the freezer, so I'm gonna warm them up and I'll eat this with it. It's so delicious. And that comes with a salad dressing. I got 2 of those. So delicious, oh my God, I love it. And then I got a beet spinach salad. That's what it looks like, beet spinach salad. I got 2 pesto veggies. It's just a mix of veggies with pesto. It looks like it's broccoli, cauliflower, and carrot. Looks like broccoli rabe. And I've never had this one before. I've had the tuna salad, I've had the date nut, and I've had this before, but I've never had the pesto, and I've never had this beet stuff. Okay, next up, so I got 2 beet spinach salads. And you would think like this looks really small, like it's not enough, but it's enough for me, for one person. I got mushroom stroganoff. I've had this before. It's not my favorite thing, but I like it. It's something different. I also got quinoa white bean tabbouleh. That's what it looks like. Like all this stuff is fresh. I love how they pack the salad jars. Like you could have this in your fridge for like up to a week. Let's see, till September 8th. Today's September 2nd. And it's so fresh, it stays fresh. I want to learn how to jar salads. Then the last thing I got, lentil loaf with mashed potatoes and green beans. Look at that, I got a large. This might not be, is this a large? I don't know. I don't know if this is a small or a large. I think I switched it to large. I love this meal. This reminds me of like a Thanksgiving meal. I probably will eat this for 2 nights, and it just looks so delicious. I'm super excited. That is everything that I got from this order. Again, it's called Community Cuisine. It's in Arizona, downtown. It's more like downtown Arizona, downtown Phoenix, off of Washington and 23rd Street. And I just love it. If you live such a crazy busy lifestyle, this is the way to go. It's affordable to what they give you, the amount, it's fresh. Deliver it to your house. There is a perimeter that they go by, but I just drive there because I don't know if they would come. I live in North Phoenix, so I don't know if they would come this far, but you also have to pay for the fee for that. And usually like what I would do, like now it's a little inconvenient because it's like about 23 minutes away. But when I was at school, it's literally like 10 minutes from my school, so I would get it before class, and that way it wasn't a waste of my time. And I was getting it because I was always in school. I was in school every single day. And it was just really great to have it ready to go, ready to eat, and I just love this company, and I fully support them. So if you live in Arizona, try them out. I'll leave the link down below, and again, I'll show you guys on the internet what the website is and what a mock menu, or like what the menu this week will be. Let's go to that. Here is an example of a menu from the Community Cuisine website. It's going to have all different categories. As you see, it says dessert, specialty, dessert, soup, and then it's going to have the title of what it is. Almond strawberry crumble square. That's a new item that they have made on the menu. It's just really good vegan, gourmet, healthy food. I absolutely love it. And every week it's going to be a different menu. So every week when I was in school, I didn't always order from them. It just depended on what they made that week. But they have all different things that you can order. My favorite is the pesto veggies. They're very, very good, and I love all their salads are really good. And if you click on the pesto veggies, if you click any item, it's going to show you exactly the ingredients that is in the product. And I'll show you another. So over here is where you have the deposit jars where you're going to deposit. So wild rice pilaf, and it's going to show you all the ingredients again for that menu item. And going back to what I was saying before, this is where you would put your deposit down for the jars. Only one time you have to do it, and you do it on. Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys another thrift store haul.